How to get Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to get Amazon Prime, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Amazon app, but I wouldn't recommend the Amazon app because this is a quite slow process. The way that I would recommend you is that you open up your browser and then you simply come to this website, which is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. When you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, here you want to make sure to sign into your Amazon account. Then you'll find an option called Start Your Free Trial. So tap on Start Your Free 30-day trial option, and then you'll be able to simply enter your password. Once you enter your password, you'll find all the Prime benefits here. Then you just have to select your payment method by tapping the add or credit or debit card option. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then enter your card number and so on. Then tap on the add and continue button, and that's all it takes to get Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.